Welcome to a new series that we've created for you guys. It's called Everything You Need to Know. And this month we're focusing on Amla powder. Everything you need to know. The history, the science, the hair care uses, like everything literally that you need to know about Amla, and with other tips as well that you'll just discover about Amla that you probably didn't know. So welcome to the Hennasooq channel. My name is Khadija. I'm an expert in henna, natural hair color, Ayurvedic healthy hair care, and gorgeous, beautiful henna and jaguar body art, which you can catch me in person in Columbia, Maryland at our new studio and salon. Amla is known as the Amla gooseberry or Amalaki. And it's interesting because there's actually more than one Amla, so you have to really make sure that you're using the right Amla to promote hair growth specifically. One thing that you'll notice with the Amla fruit is that it has one seed, and the other one that is not for hair use, and usually is like eaten more so, has a lot of little seeds. So that's what you're gonna be looking for, the Amla with the singular seed, and that's the one that promotes hair growth. That's the one that you're gonna be looking for. And this is a flowering plant that produces fruits that are rich in nutrients, and it's full of antioxidants. And on their skin as a facial mask because it's very astringent and high in vitamin C, which we know gives you the glowing skin. And this tree, this beautiful Amla tree, is sacred in India, and that's where it comes from. Amla grows in India. And there's a story that I have heard that the first Amla tree to appear on earth was when Brahma was meditating, and it came from his tears. It is the super berry of Ayurvedic medicine, and it's also found in Sri Lankan, Tibetan, and Chinese herbal medicine as well. Now, when it comes to Amla and this hair growth, first and foremost, it is hair growth. This herb, in my professional opinion, is the #1 hair growth herb. It's so good for promoting hair growth. It's a must-have. It's a staple. You guys have to be using it. And it smells so amazing. It smells like tamarind, which I love because, you know, my Guyanese roots, you know, cooking with some tamarind, putting in my fish and making a stew smells so good and so finely sifted. So it's a must-have for all your hair care needs for growth. There have also been studies done. There's this one study that they had 42 people, and these 42 people were suffering from hair loss, and they applied this serum to their hair that was infused with Amla and a few other ingredients like coconut water, and they did this for 90 days. Not only did it improve their hair growth, the density of their hair also improved as well. And there's actually another study, and I know you guys did not know this, but Amla blocks a certain enzyme that is linked to hair loss. So if you suffer from hair loss, then Amla is definitely the herb for you. It needs to be in your regimen. It will really help reduce that hair loss. It has anti-aging properties as well, along with those antioxidant, just rich nutrients that are gonna prevent more hair loss and just keep your hair growing and healthy from the root to the ends. And Amla adds a lot of brightness. I mean, just think of vitamin C on your face. It adds a lot of brightness, shine to your hair, just naturally. And when you add Amla powder to your henna recipes, it also helps tone down some of the red a little bit, so it's not as bright. So it's a great addition for that as well. Now, the overall health benefits, because even though we at Hennasooq do not sell any products for internal use, everything at Hennasooq is for external use only. I just want to mention how amazing Amla is for those health benefits for you as a person as a whole. So if you have access to getting Amla, a food grade level, it really is good if you want to take that internally. A lot of people make a tea out of it or put it in like their smoothies. It improves like your immunity. It also is really good for your heart health, digestion, and it was also going to help improve your kidney health. Ancient medicine practices endorse the internal taking of Amla to prevent the formation of cancer cells. There are so many amazing benefits for Amla. I'm going to link some down below in the description so you can read even more about the health benefits of Amla and a few recipes that you can find right here on the Hennasooq YouTube channel. Tons of amazing recipes that you can do for your hair. We even have ready-to-use masks right on our website that have Amla. All you have to do is go to hennasooq.com, type in Amla or even hair growth, and then from there you're going to pull up all the best products that are going to help you get to your hair goals and that hair growth and that length and learning just more about, reducing the shedding, keeping that length, keeping it healthy, full, and rich, and just overall having the best hair of 2023. So if you haven't tried Amla yet, you seriously need to. We even have Amla oil, and that is really an amazing go-to that you can use every day or every other day as needed. So you definitely gotta check those out. Get you started on the Amla, start a regimen, get a plan going. And if you already use Amla, what is like your routine when it comes to Amla? How are you using Amla? Do you have any tips for those who are watching and viewing and gonna check out the comments below? Or do you have a question about Amla that you need an answer to right now? All you have to do is go to hennasooq.com, click the chat icon, and you can reach a hair care expert that can answer all of your questions. I also am really curious too, if any of you use it as a facial mask, I would love to know in the comments below how you're using it as a facial mask, because that vitamin C, please share in the comments below. I would love to know how you use Amla. Don't forget, you gotta hit the subscribe and hit that bell so you don't miss any of the great videos that I have coming out for you guys every single week. I will see you next time, and stay tuned for more.